Hello, children. I am happy that you all are doing your homework and you have also learned how to round off a number. So, some problems from exercise 2A were remaining. So, I will just discuss those problems and then go on to the next exercise. Okay. So, we had got one question. This is a sixth question in exercise 2A. List all the numbers which can be rounded off to 40. Very smart. Till now, what we were doing was we were given some numbers, we had to round off and get the answer. Now, this question is we are getting the answer after rounding off, and we have to form the question. That is, we have to go back in this question, isn't it? So, we are getting an answer that after rounding off, how much we are getting? 40. So, which numbers can be rounded off to 40? So, think some numbers before 40 and some number after 40 can be rounded off to 40, isn't it? So, which are those numbers? So, we know that after 5 units place 5. After that, all the numbers can be rounded off to the higher number, isn't it? So, that means 35. We have to start from 35. So, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and after 40 also. 40 is already 40, so no need of writing that. Then 40, after 40, 41 can also be rounded off to 40. So, 41, 42, 43, 44. Till 44 we can round off, isn't it? After 44, if you put 45, then that will be not correct because 45 will be rounded off to 50. So, our answer range is from 35 to 35 to 44. So, let us see. Yes, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, then 41, 42, 43 and 44. So, this is our answer range. Okay. These are the numbers which can be rounded off to 40. This is another similar question. Write the smallest and largest number which are rounded off to 90. So 90, if we want to round off to 90, we should get some numbers before 90 and some numbers after 90. So we know that before 90 means you have to start from 85. So 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 can be rounded off to 90. And after 90 we have 91, 92, 93, 94 can be rounded off to 90. But if you take 95, it will be rounded off to 100. Okay, so that is not included in this. So let us see the answers. Numbers which can be rounded off to 90 are 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay. Now they are asking us, the question is not finished yet. They are asking us, write the smallest and largest number which are rounded off to 90. So which is the smallest out of these? 85. And which is the largest? 94. So smallest number is 85 and largest number is 94. Finished. Now we go on to the homework. Two more sums similar to this. Just same like that. Say list all the numbers which can be rounded off to 50 and write the smallest and largest number which are rounded off to 130. So start 5 numbers back and you can go 4 numbers forward. Here also 5 numbers back, 4 numbers forward. Okay. So this is very simple. We have not finished yet. We are going to the next exercise. Okay. Now here we have to find the sum. Sum means what? We have to add. Okay. Sum means you have to find after addition. You have to find the answer after addition. So estimate the sum 69 plus 73 to the nearest 10. So this we have to find after rounding off to the nearest 10. So when such a problem is given, we have to round off this to 10, 69 to 10 and also 73 to the nearest 10. So 69, let us concentrate to the nearest 10. 10 means you have to look at the units place. 9. So give a gift to 6, it will become 7. So we have to round off each number to the nearest 10. Let us see. 69 to the nearest 10 is 70. And next number is 73. Look at the units place 3. Poor number, it will say bye bye and go. So you will get 70 again. So 73 to the nearest 10 is 70. Now we have to find the sum. So after rounding off, you find the sum. So 70 plus 70 is 140. So the answer is 140. Okay. We go on to the next sum. Estimate the sum of. Sum means again we have to add. Okay. Which are the two numbers? 576 and 383. But then again, we have two questions here. To the nearest 10 first and then nearest 100. So we are having two questions in this. So first we will try nearest 10. When you are doing nearest 10, we will take the first number. Look at the units place, 6. Oh, rich man, strong man. So what we will give a gift to this? So this will become 580. Okay. Look at this one, 383. So what is there at the units place? 3. Poor man. So it will just go, say bye bye and go. So we get 380. Okay. Now what we have to do? Sum. So add. So 580 plus 380 is 960. So we got the answer. Next again we have one more problem, nearest 100. So 576, nearest 100. We have to look at the tens place now. Okay. Tens place is 7, strong man. So it will give one gift here. So it will become 600. So 576 to the nearest 100 is 600. And 383 to the nearest 100 is 400, isn't it? 8 will give a gift here. So 400. 600 plus 400 is 1000. Finished. Next question. Estimate the sum of 2563 and 8469 to the nearest 1000. Oh, so when we have 1000, we have to look at the hundreds place. So first number is 2563. What is there at the hundreds place? 5. Oh, strong man. So this will become 3000. And look at 8469. Who is there at the hundreds place? 4. Oh, weak man. So they will all go simply putting zeros there. So 8000. Now you have to find the sum. Sum means we have to add. So 8000 plus 3000 is 11,000. So simple. We will finish this. Now we have got to estimate the difference. Difference means we have to subtract, isn't it? So estimate the difference of 537 and 382. Correct to the nearest 10. Okay, so we have to round it off to tens place. So 537, you have to look at the units digit 7. 7 is bigger than 5, strong man. So it will give 1 here. So we get 540. And then 382. Again look at this position, units position 2. 2 is a very poor, weak number. So it will just go, say bye bye. So we get 380. Now we have to find the difference. Difference means we have to subtract, minus. Okay. So 540 minus 380. So how much you get? 150. Isn't that very simple? Okay. Again, estimate the difference. 56,738 minus 2,395. Now again, hidden two sums, isn't it? To the nearest 100 and to the nearest 1000. Okay. So first let us deal with, we will take one at a time. So first to the nearest 100. So when we have to round it off to the nearest 100, look at the digit at the tens place. So here tens place 56,738, tens place is 3. 3 is a poor number, so it will just go off. So we will get 56,700. Okay, then next number we look 2,395. Look at the digit at the tens place. 9. Oh, very strong man. So it will change this 3 into 4. So we get 2,400. Now estimate the difference. What is the meaning of difference? We will subtract. Okay. So we have to minus 56,700 minus 2,400. So what we answer we get 54,300. Next, one more challenge is there. To the nearest 1,000 we have to do. So when we have to do 1,000, we have to look at the hundreds place. Here we look at the hundreds place, that is 7. 7 is a strong number. So 7 will increase this by 1. So we get 57,000. Next, we look at 3. 3 is a weak number. So it will say bye-bye and go. All of them will become 0. So what do we get? 2,000. And 57,000 minus 2,000 is 55,000. So the answer is 55,000. Okay. Now, after doing all that, I am giving you a little homework today. It is very easy, isn't it? So you can do estimate the sum to the nearest 10 first. So you round off all these numbers to 10 and then add. Here estimate the sum of each pair to the nearest 100. Round off to the 100 and then add. Then estimate the following differences correct to the nearest 10. So now difference. So you have to subtract. Okay, after rounding off to the 10, you have to subtract. Here estimate each difference to the nearest 100. So you have to round off to 100 and then subtract. So these are some homework because tomorrow is Saturday. So you have lot of time. So finish the homework. When you finish this, we can go on to the next chapter. Okay. So enjoy your Saturday and Sunday along with doing some sums. Doing sums is also an enjoyment, isn't it? I know that you all are enjoying. Okay. So have a nice day.